About this item: Apple MFi certified. This Lightning to 3.5mm auxiliary cable has completed Apple MFi certification requirements. Easy to connect your Apple devices to car stereos, home stereos, portable speakers, headphones, hi-fi, computers, or anything else with a 3.5mm input jack. Universal compatibility: the 3.5mm Lightning car audio cable compatible with most of the Lightning devices: iPhone 13/13 mini/13 Pro/13 Pro Max/12/12 mini/12 Pro/12 Pro Max/11/11 Pro/11 Pro Max/XS/XS Max/XR/X/8/8 Plus/7/7 Plus/iPad/iPod. Supports iOS 10.3 and later operation system. Impressive sound transmission: the Lightning to auxiliary cord is built with a certified chip to ensure the stability and fidelity of sound transmission, giving you a fantastic music trip and experience when using this auxiliary cord. Great for home and travel. Recommended gifts to family and friends. High quality assurance: the iPhone auxiliary cord for car is made of durable stretch TPE material, makes the audio cable to be more strong but flexible and easily survive everyday heavy usage, can bear 15,000 plus